Good morning, students. Welcome. Good morning, students. Welcome to Authorities Commerce and Finance Coaching. Today we are start our new lesson, that is the Insurance Introduction to International Finance of TY Banking and Insurance students. New topic or new first chapter. Before we start our introduction to international finance, let's discuss about what mean by international finance. International finance is the branch of economic that studied the dynamic of exchange rates, foreign investment, and how these affect international trade too. It also follow the technique for allocation of fund and resources in international trade. Means fundamentals of international deal with the study of foreign investment, the change in foreign exchange rate, and how international trade is influenced by all of them. Now we are going to study in this chapter. International finance is also follow the techniques for allocation of fund and resources in international trade. Why? Because it is deal with different kinds of foreign exchanges and different kinds of international investments too. So international financial management is well known terms in today's world, as it is also known as international finance, because today's era or today's mean of financial management, it is related with international business environment too. So it is most important to let's study about our international finance and how it deal with these different kinds of investments also. In this screen you are going to see that the international finance is an important part of financial economics. It mainly discusses the aspects related with monetary interactions of at least two or more countries. It concerns with subject of exchange rates of currency monetary system of the world, and even FDI, that mean a foreign direct investment, and allocation of fund too. This international finance is deal with three things, that is international financial economic, international financial management, and international financial market. These three things are important part of our international finance. Now we are going to see that there are some international financial organization is here. Before we start to learn about this international financial organization, let's discuss about the features of international finance. Briefly I explain here that international finance is help to expand opportunity of our business. Even it will help to taking risk of exist when financial transaction is denominated in currency with other countries. Even if there is a difference in law and customer among the countries, even tax system, cultural differences, business practices, means there is so many imperfect market are in between two international trading. So it will be help to it will be help to does not survive in this market also. In the financial market there is some political risk included, because international financial system affected by government policies and political issues. So there is a risk of political and government issue. If there is some unfavorable political policies in any country, it will be affected to international finance too. So these are the some features of international finance. Now let's discuss with the international financial organization. The first one is the World Bank. As we know that the World Bank is a very well known financial institutions. It is provided finance to every country as they needed. Every country as they needed. So it is very play important role in our international finance, that World Bank is provided finance according to needed of their country. The second is International financial corporations. Even there are some international financial corporations are work. International financial corporations are work in international market. They are going to provide finance to different countries according to their needed of corporate sectors, because it is very much essential. The next one is International Monetary Fund. As we know that IMF is very well known financial institutions like World Bank. Even other than World Bank, IMF also providing fund to their different countries according to requirement of fund. In international finance, there is need of finance for trading between two countries. If any corporate organization is needed fund for this trading or this international transactions or trading between two countries, these financial institutions are going to help some underdeveloping countries or their corporate sector for encouraging them for international finance. The next one is National Bureau of Economic Research. This National Bureau of Economic Research help to study the different kinds of fund or investment according to need of fund. So these are the some financial organization which is actually work in international market. So I hope you understand very well. Thank you for watching my videos. Please share and subscribe my videos. Thank you.